Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a simple trade plan for trading S&P 500 Emini futures, stocks, options, anything that you trade. But hopefully this video will help you. But first, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can be alerted to any new videos. Also, make sure you check out my Emini S&P Future Trade Zones and my 7-hour video course where I teach you 5 different trading strategies that I use every day in my own trading. Only $99, links down below in the description, or go to daytradingfearless.com. But let's jump into this video. So how do we create a very simple trade plan? Okay, here's one way of doing it. Figure out a trading strategy. Okay, for me, it's my divergence. Now, with my divergence, I have all these rules for my entry, right? And my exit. So over the years, I've created different rules for this one strategy. What time of day I trade. I look for price to do this. I look for that. There are multiple things little nuances that I've added to this trade plan over years, right? But for you, what I want you to do is figure out what your trading strategy is, how it works, write that down. And then the second part of our trade plan is going to be to manage risk. Where is your entry? Where is your target? And where is your stop loss? Okay. And do you enter all those at the same time? I hope you do, because that will make trading a lot easier. I love using OCO orders. One cancels the other type of order, because what that does is it almost makes me trade like it's an algorithm or a robot, right? Once I put my buy-in and that thing gets filled, it automatically puts my target and my stop loss in, and the trade's either going to work or not. Okay, and I put my stop on my divergence 1 tick above the high or the low of the price action. Again, these are my rules. You need to create your rules of where your stop goes, where your target is, where your entry, all those things. But try and keep it very simple. And then over time, I want you to start to add. Don't trade during this time. Look for this. And as you start to watch this, your trading strategy, you'll start to add more and more things to become better and better at that trade plan. So hopefully this works. As always, thank you for watching my videos. And remember, leave it if you want to hear me talk about something, just leave it in the comments, and I will try and make a video on anything you guys are having problems with in your trading psychology. But as always, thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon.